Good day everyone, I'm Gwyneth Sikabog from BTV.3 LFSMB, and today I will demonstrate to you how to measure the dry and liquid ingredients using the measuring cup accurately. So let's start. Let's define what are these equipments and what are the ingredients that they can be measured. So let's start. Measuring cups. This is for dry and solid ingredients. Measuring spoon. It can measure dry, liquid, solid ingredients. Liquid measuring cups for liquid ingredients. Measuring cups. For flour or any kinds of flour, we need a scooper. We need to scoop the flour. We should not scoop the flour using the measuring cup because it will have an 20% excess flour on the required ingredients in our recipe. Let's tap the measuring cup to release the excess, then level the flour. For brown sugar, just scoop using the measuring cup, then press to compact the brown sugar. All the recipes in brown sugar must be compact. In white sugar, we scoop it using the measuring cup, then level it. This is measuring spoon. Scoop it using the measuring spoon, then level it. Reminder that if we measure anything flour, we should level it. Measuring cups. As you can see, the other cups has liters, cups, and ounces level, and the other one has liters. Liquid measuring cup. To measure the liquid, we need to put the oil for example. Then we need to level it in the lines provided of the cup. To know the accurate measure, we need to see it in eye level. I hope you learned something from my demonstration. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!